Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can gain the live function on TikTok even if you don't have 1000 followers. Let's launch the TikTok app, and now you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click report a problem. When you're over here, guys, you don't lose your time over here. You scroll all the way to the bottom, you click submit report, and this is where the magic happens. You want to make sure that you let them know that you're a very good successful streamer. You already stream on other platforms, but now you're shifting towards TikTok. You're gonna tell them, hi there, I was wondering if you can give me the live function because I am very successful live streamer on other platforms. Okay, so I'm planning to start streaming here, but I don't have this option. Also, guys, you want to let them know that you already have audience on other platform, so you are gonna be start streaming right away if you have the live function, meaning that a lot of people will be tipping you, giving you money, which is good for TikTok because they're gonna get their cut, you're gonna get your cut, and you're not gonna be someone who they're gonna give the live function and you're not doing anything about it. So you want to let them know I do have a large audience, right, on the other social medias, but now they are waiting for me to start streaming here on TikTok. Okay, guys, this is what you want to focus over here. You want to let them know that, hey, I'm not a noob, I know how to stream, I've streamed before, I have an audience, I don't post any normal usual content, videos or pictures, I'm here only to do live streams. So they know, okay, cool, this guy, if you want to keep him on the platform, we have to give him live stream option because he's not going to publish videos or something. And he has an audience, so he's going to make money fast, so we're going to make money fast. This is how you're going to approach the situation, guys, and this is how you're going to get your live function without having even 10 different followers. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe, like this video, and come back for more.